Hello everyone, we are with Martin here at airealitytour. Martin, thanks for joining us today. You had an insightful keynote here today at the opening. So can we take your thoughts and about this event today, and maybe your vision about how AI is changing the way we do business in the future?
Okay, thank you. Well, first of all, thank you for having me here. I think when I was looking at the attendance here, it's certainly in the kind of the top events that we've had at Qlik, and especially from a partner here.
Great.
That's quite incredible. Now, a couple of things that I've kind of seen about this event is I've had a lot of topics of conversation around iceberg. Yeah, that's a really hot topic right now. I was with a couple of customers earlier today, and they were kind of both thinking about iceberg as part of their architecture. So that was very good to see. And outside in the lobby, yeah, we've got kind of, is your organization ready for AI? And they've got little dots there to kind of see on a chart to see how that's going. And it's very, very good for me to see that organizations are getting more ready for AI.
Yeah.
So if I was to kind of put my finger on anything that's changing, that people are getting ready for AI now. And I think as my slide said, AI has kind of happened. We've got to get over that, and we've got to get moving to kind of understand how AI can help everybody. So from my takeaway, it's kind of organizations are getting there now to get ready for AI.
Great, and it's good to hear that one of the biggest events at this tour, right?
Right.
There's over 400 attendees today.
Yes, that's incredible.
So how do you like it?
It's wonderful. Also, this is my first time to this wonderful city, and but the attendance is very key for us because we want influential people to hear our direction, where the roadmap is going, how we can help customers, because there are thousands of use cases out there, and sometimes people are very stuck on where Qlik might be, but we've got a huge platform that can solve many, many problems for customers.
Martin, thanks for being with us today, and hope to see you next year as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Invite me. Thank you.
Thank you.